guys, I am Daddy the guitarist, singer-songwriter and a composer. Welcome to this tutorial, Nyama Choma by Samba Mapangala. So very quick, I'm going to show you that rhythm very quick. Step number 1, I want you to play the key of G, shape 1. The key of G, shape 1. I want you to play the key of G, shape 1. Are we there? The key of G, shape 1. Then I want you to play, you know the progression that I showed you in shapes. So I want you to play this shape. So I want you to play fret number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No, sorry. Fret number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Fret number 17, I want to play it like this. Play string 3 and 2. And then back to your shape. Play string 3 and string 2. Okay, 16, 17, fret 16, 17, string 2 and string 3. Or string 3 and or string 3 and string 2. And then play string 4. So you have next step, we go to shape 2, and then you play, or let's go to shape 2. Step 2, I want you to go to shape 3. Just play shape 3. When you enter shape 3, just play string 3 and 2 all together, and then finish up by string 4, and then go back to your step. So this one is repeating. Okay, so have you understood? So I want you to play it like this. Play string 4, play string 3, and play string 4. And then have you understood? Are we together? So we are done with that part. Step number, the next step, I want you to play so fret number 16, 17, 18. So here I want you to do this. Play your shape. And then on fret number 18, I want you to play E note, string number 2. On fret number 16, I want you to play G note, string 1. And then fret number 15, 12, 13, 14, fret number 4. On fret number 15, I want to play G note. On fret number 14, I want you to play A, B note, A sharp note. Alright, so that it sounds like this. So you have Have you gotten that part? So I want to go to the next step, whereby we spice it up by cranking it. Alright, so this is what you do. That solo part goes like this. That part solo goes like this. It's just in the shape 1. The secret is there in the shape 1. I want you to play. I'll not be explaining these parts. Just want you to see. Have you seen? Or should I play it with a clean? Let me play it with a clean. Clean is better, you will understand it better. Fret number 18, play string 3. Fret number 15, play string 1. And then fret number 18, string 2. And then fret number 12, 13, 14, fret number 14, play string 1. Fret number 15, play string 2. So you have, and then repeat it, enter shape 2, play string 3, fret number 14, play string 2, play string 1, and then play string 2, play string just like that. Let me repeat that part. Yeah, string 3, string 1, string 2. Okay, so you have, alright, I'm trying to beat that time, 10 minutes. I want to do this in 10 minutes, okay? So have you understood to that part? All in shape 1 and shape 2. Just shape 1 and shape 2. There. Okay? Yeah. Let's move to the next step. The next step, this is what you do. Just there, shape 1 and shape 2. I want you to play. In shape 1, play string 3 and string 2. Shape 1, play string 3 and string 2. Fret 15 and fret 16. String 3, fret 16. String 2, fret 15. Three, 2, 3, 2, and then fret number 14, string 1, fret number 15, string 1. So you have, and then repeat, enter shape 2 and play string 3 and 2, play string 3 and 4, shape 2, and then do it. Your pinky plays fret number 18, E note, string 2.